cake. Fuck cake, Miller, fit up. Fuck cake, Miller, boy. Pull up on your block, suck up on your cock. Pull up on your block, suck up on your cock. They said I'm not the best, her hands look at some locks. She suck it the best, she sniffing on that chop. Got a new bitch, yeah. Got a new bitch, yeah. She said her age on the Glock, I pass it to bed. Bitches got me cocked, this dick giving up air. Pull up on the block, they all call me the man. Stay up in our rack, and they call me the slab. Star Trek spot, put my dick on the bed. I'm so busy, they got the kids. My bitch on titty, got me sipping on kids. So I got me sleeping, got me up in the list. Cut me up, taking her in the lip. Pack got a creepy up, taking like kids. Taking a baby, my dick full of.
No one who wanders is ever truly lost.
Feeling real good cause Witch Queen dropped. I'm staying with my gang, we don't do the team hop. My dick fell out on the floor and it plopped. Getting out the coop and I just got topped. I saw Mr. Jerk and he told me to speculate. He said in this life, man, this money is regular. I'm not pit of me, but I'm multi-cellular. I dropped you for a reason, hold on, text my cellular. Dropping the deuce, I love on the beat. I'm making this fire, I'm making this heat. I've been fucking with Kanye and I'm fucking with Ski. And this hoes on my body, we ain't even meet. All through the city, my shit on repeat. I'm beating my meat. And I nut in the cake and I make a sweet treat. And I found a bitch boy, I pull up on his street. I don't fuck with girls, since we talking about feet. I'm playing Minecraft, I'm farming for wheat. Fucking with us, but we pull it the fleet. Returning my shit, man, I need my receipts. Just hit a lick, now I'm staying discreet. Fuck up a Davidson, don't fuck with Pete. And I'm the best all time, I don't ever gotta cheat, man.
Let's talk about income disparity. This shit is unjust, I see it with clarity. Our shit's fucked up, no similarity. We need reform, shit got rarity. When I'm playing League, running celerity, making this money, up in prosperity. Wait, what? Bitch trying to front me. I grabbed my hand, so I turned it to the backseat. You think I'm normal? Just look at my rap sheet. I poop in her mouth, she eat it on repeat. Liquidy shit, nothing like concrete. My toilet is gold, live in a daydream. The current economical position among these is tough. Lower GDP producing communities got it all rough. My dog sniffed my balls and he died from that stuff. This beat's about to drop, making y'all come. I'm taking dick, taking it tough. I'm super kinky, taking it rough. Talk shit my gang, getting the scruff. All through the streets, my gang run amok. They call me Big M, the way I fuck mutts.
Dog fucker.
Yeah.